So what we're going to do here is install 6mm single piece glass in the gable wall of the greenhouse. It's going to get an H channel on the top, nothing on the bottom. But as you can see, the H channel here is cut at an angle on both ends to match the slope of the greenhouse. You want to be putting the H channel on with the flat side, the large flat side, towards the exterior of the greenhouse. Peel the foam tape, and then you'll see I'm using a pair of suction cups to lift this glass, just a little bit easier to make it, or easier to handle. Get it into position. Lift the top of your glass, tuck it up under the end rafter, and then just let it drop into position on your base. And you want to make sure you're sitting nice and flat across the bottom. On your sides, you don't want the glass to be touching any of your glazing bars. And then once you have it in position, just push that H channel up so that it's touching the underside of your end rafter. Just gives you a nice air gap in there, closes it all off. And once you have your piece of glass in place, you're just going to want to put your cap on. Just tucks up under the end rafter, sits nice and tight on your base. And then just the same as everywhere else in the greenhouse, you're going to put that screw in just into the screw spline of the bar. You don't want it too tight. And once your cap is in place, you can remove your suction cups and go on to your next piece. So this is 6mm glass going in beside a door. You'll notice on this, there's no H on the top, there's no H on the bottom. In this case, we're actually showing it going in beside a storefront door. But peel your foam tape, and it just fits in just like so. You just cap it off, same as you do with the rest of the glass. And there's your beside door glass on a 6mm single pane tempered.